Whenever a researcher has to conduct a research, two types of philosophies are being used. One is positivism and the other one is constructivism. Since 1980s, constructivism is more often used by subjective means, such as sensations and intuitions. However, the researcher cannot be objectively measured without the characteristics of positivism. When we talk about the differences between positivism and constructivism, the very first difference is about the realities. Positivism is based on a single and tangible reality, and it can be quantitatively measured through logical and empirical evidences, while constructivism it relies on human constructed knowledge, and with the help of their experiences, intelligence, and interactions with the world, a research can be deduced. The second difference is about inductive or deductive approach. Constructivism it involves inductive reasoning because it starts with a specific observation and ends with an open-ended general theory through developing a model based on propositions. Well, in order to avoid probabilities and be more certain, the deductive approach is used as a character of positivism. In this type of approach, the general theory is tested and then specifically confirmed by structured observation, survey, or experimentation. The third difference is about openness or close-endedness. Well, in the qualitative research, the respondent gets a chance to speak freely and openly, and normally it happens during the interviews, and he can use the words he has been choosing to speak or he wants to speak. Whereas the quantitative data, it can only be deduced through close-ended questions in which there is only option of yes or no or any sort of a numerical term. The fifth one and the most important difference is about logics and sensations. So in positivism, knowledge is inborn and expertise can be found in statements of facts or beliefs that can be empirically verified or denied. Hence, positivism is not about feelings or any sort of emotions. For example, the impact of COVID-19 has killed many people, and we cannot say that it is due to the emotional pressure or any sort of a fear. It happened because of the viral infection, and specific vaccines were produced to prevent it. Whereas in constructivism, it is believed that knowledge is mind independent and socially constructed. The existence of God is being perceived by human perception through series of historical events and life meaning. And if we talk about another example, claiming that people are different based on their skin colors, it is a subjective social construct. In a nutshell, it is being concluded that what is false or true, it is solely bound by culture and sometimes it depends upon history, while logical reasoning and scientific research is preferred to generate fruitful results when talking about positivism.